3 eggs. Ta-da! Hola ni amigos, welcome back to my channel. Yes, my hair is growing, huh? Today, I'm gonna make this Tamagoyaki. Sometimes we call it dashi-maki tamago. Dashi like broth. Dashi broth, maki roll, eggs. You can just remember dashi is Japanese MSG. Could be made from fish, mainly bonito, or seaweed, kombu. But extracting dashi takes time, so I use this hondashi. It's a powder one. When we cook miso soup, we also put dashi in it. Also, this is Tamagoyaki pan, specializing in rolling Tamagoyaki. I'm gonna use this one. Otherwise, it's gonna be very hard to make beautiful rolling. Okay, the recipe is very simple. 3 eggs and sugar and just a little bit soy sauce and water and the dashi powder. As garnish, I will grate the daikon, the white daikon radish. 90 ml hot water. 3-4 grams of dashi powder. Just a little bit sugar. Soy sauce, it's optional. Now you can see this dashi soup and add 3 eggs. Okay, done. Okay, garnish. My cutting skill, huh? And grate it. Sometimes this radish can be very spicy. Can I say spicy? Yeah, it's very spicy, hot. In that case, you can put it in the microwave and heat it. Then it will be fine. Okay la. Okay, done. Good, not that spicy. Okay, let's get started. You may want to practice this. Take the temperature. Okay. Put it 1/3 or 1/4. Spread the oil again and move it. Oh fuck! I can fix it later. I want to make it look perfect, perfect Tamagoyaki. Oh shit. Oh, now I realize I should have used this edge, not here. Oh fuck. You really have to spread the oil evenly, otherwise it's gonna be a disaster. They're here. I hope I can fix it. Okay. Now you can use this makisu to make this to make the better shape. Leave it for 4 minutes. Now he's ready. Open up. It looks like this. Okay, let's cut it. Grated daikon as well. Ta-da! Oh, hey, come on. How does it look? Like authentic? When we eat, we put soy sauce onto the daikon, grated daikon. Yeah, like this. So let's try it. Put some daikon on it. Another bit. I'll try it. This is great. I really like sweet tamagoyaki egg roll. I really like sweet one. Some people like salty one. If it's hard for you to get dashi, you can also use chicken powder. It's not original recipe, but you know, you can write the recipe. Rolling eggs is not easy, but I think it's worth it. You can show it off on your YouTube channel. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and visit my kokeshi doll website. I run a kokeshi online shop. So if you like it, please visit our website. Hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.